Hey, in today's video, this is going to be my first entry into Watermelon Wars. Didn't think I was going to get a watermelon because of the voles and things, but let me go ahead and show you this watermelon. All right, so if you look down, you see that my tendril is nice and dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut it, and then we're gonna go straight to the scale. Let me go ahead and get it. Oh, alrighty. All right, so let's go. Follow me. Now, I don't know how big it's gonna be, but I'm excited because this is my first melon to weigh in, and we gonna see what it look like. All right, so come on this side. Before I put it down, we're gonna get a look at the scale is zeroed out. All right, so now I'm gonna place the melon down and let's see what it looks like. All right, that says 21 pounds. All right, so come here. All right, so that melon is not going to be the winner, but I'm still happy that we got it. And now I'm gonna show you one other thing. All right, so over here, I have a watermelon that's growing. Now, I've never put a tent over my watermelon. Now, I'm not gonna show you what that watermelon, what it looks like. That watermelon is 26 days old. 26 days old. Hopefully, I can get through the rest of the growing season because I had to put all the spikes around it and so forth. That's holding up. Well, we got a lot of rain coming. But let me tell you, think about it. If you watch any of my videos, I have never, ever put a tent over a watermelon. All I'm gonna tell you is that should tell you something. All right, I'll see you in the next weigh-in. Bye.